Hey everyone. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to see exactly who has access to your Google Drive files using the full 2026 setup. This is extremely important for protecting your privacy, securing your work, and making sure only the right people can view or edit your files. So first, open your browser, go to drive.google.com, and log in with your Google account. Once your Drive dashboard loads, we're ready to begin. Start by finding the file or folder you want to check. This can be located inside My Drive or the Shared with Me section. Once you see the file on your screen, right-click on it to open the Options menu. From that menu, click on Share. This opens the sharing and permission window for that file. At the top of this window, you'll see a list of all people and groups who currently have access to your file. Each person's email address is shown so you can clearly see who can view or edit your content. Next to every name, you'll also see their permission level. Viewer means they can only view the file. Commenter means they can leave comments but not change the content. Editor means they have full editing access and can modify or even delete the file. Now scroll a little downward to the General Access section. This tells you whether the file is restricted to specific people, shared with your organization, or available to anyone with the link. If it says anyone with the link, that means anyone who has the link can open your file, which may not always be safe for sensitive information. If you notice someone who should no longer have access, you can instantly remove them. Just click the drop-down next to their name and select Remove. You can also downgrade their access from editor to viewer if needed. All changes save instantly. It's a good habit to regularly check file access, especially for important documents, client files, or shared folders used by teams. This helps you avoid accidental data leaks and keeps everything under control. And that's it. That's how to see who has access to your Google Drive files using the 2026 setup. Once you get used to checking this, managing file security becomes fast and effortless. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.